Assalamualaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe. It is a very simple recipe, very easy to prepare. Your kids are going to love it. You can make it for your party and it's only made with 3 ingredients. So let's make together TikTok Nutella biscuits. So to make Nutella biscuits, first of all, in a bowl, we're gonna take about 200 grams of Nutella, and to that I'm adding 120 grams of all-purpose flour. Now add 4 tablespoons of milk, and first of all mix everything with the help of a spatula. And then with the help of a hand mixer, mix it well. And you will see it will all come together very easily. Now our dough is ready, as you can see. Now I'm taking an ice cream scooper and with the help of that make round balls, and then we're gonna shape them in a biscuit. As you can see, something like that. I was able to make about 11 cookies, but you can make up to 12. Next, with the help of a finger, make a space in the middle, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. Now once you make those dips, we're gonna fill those dips with some Nutella, because why not? Put as much as you want. Now we're gonna bake our biscuits at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, our Nutella biscuits are fresh out of the oven. First, let them rest into the baking dish for about 10 minutes. As you can see how amazing they look. And after 10 minutes from here, we're gonna transfer them onto our rack for another 10 minutes. So our Nutella cookies are ready to enjoy, and you can see how perfect they look. They were so soft and they were amazing. They were only made with 3 ingredients, like I said. If you have Nutella available at home, you can make it very quickly for your kids, for your party, as a snack. Any reason you have, you can, or you don't need a reason to have Nutella cookies, because everybody loves Nutella. And this recipe was amazing. I loved it and I had to try it. So we're gonna do a break test and I'll show you how amazing they are and soft they are from the inside. So you can see how perfect they look. And see how easily I was able to break it, and it looks perfect. I really hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what other TikTok recipe you want me to try. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.